Oh, see, boo.
Guys, I just booked, one of the motels for one night. So I just wanna show you how does it looks. Where I'm gonna be sleeping for tonight because we just landed in South Africa. You saw the video from the start. If you didn't, just watch the video from the start and then you'll see what I'm talking about. Because I'm so tired, I've been traveling a lot. I just wanted to spoil myself a little bit, so I decided to book one of the hotels near in Durban. And this is Blue Waters. The prices, they're not that bad, you can, right? So I just want to show you, I want to give you a quick room tour. So we're going to start from the entrance. This is the door. As soon as you enter from here, this is what you get. The floor is clean, You have this wardrobe. You have your ironing board in there, hammers. Then this side, you have your laundry bag. I don't know if you wanna wash your stuff, you can just, put them inside the bag. You have your safe in here. See? Keep all your money, your keys, your IDs, or whatever. And then next to it, you have kind of like I don't know if it's a mini kitchen or something, I don't know, because you have a kettle. Them cups, if you eat a coffee, you like coffee or something, then sugar, coffee, whatever. And then you have a microwave in there, glasses, and then the fridge. There's water inside the fridge, right? And then before we go far, this is your door, right? And then when you turn this side, you have your bathroom, right? On your right hand, as soon as you enter. Okay. In here, you have a shower. There's a shower, big shower. I think 2 people, they can fit in here. Yeah, 2 people, they can fit in here. Yes. You have your shower, with them towels. Right? And then next to the shower, you have your basin. You can wash your hands, wash your face, whatever. Don't mind my things in there. And also, it also comes with this. The soap is the soap. Both of them, they soap. And then we have a body lotion. This is, and a shower cap. If you have long hair or something, right? And then down there, you have your toilet. You can do your thing, your business, toilet paper, Man, not bad. Then there's a door. Let me see if it's a see-through. No, you can't see. But glass door. And then, boom. We have a big television in here. And this table down here, I don't even know what is this. Right? And then this side, this is my bed, right? And then this side, you have this table also with the mirror. You can, come and sit in here because there's a chair. Sit in here, edit your videos or something, or if you want to read a book or something, I don't know, you can just, right? And then this side, down there, with this table here, if you want to drink coffee, because there's a chair, don't mind my bed, There's this table in here, and this chair, you can just, especially early in the morning, you can just wake up before you take a shower, maybe, I don't know, you just feel like drinking coffee, and then you make your coffee, you come sit in here, and then you drink your coffee. At the back here, behind those curtains, there's like a balcony. You can open the curtains is while you're sitting in there and watch the views from the inside. I'll show you the balcony. Let me show you the bed. See how massive it is? Big, man. It is big, man. I think 3 people can fit in here. 3 people, they can fit in here. Boy, it's big. Yeah, but for tonight, I just wanna enjoy, man, you know. I'm just gonna spoil myself, so I'm gonna be sleeping in here alone. Can you imagine? The bed is big, man, and it's clean and it's comfy, you know. Alright. Okay, before I show you the balcony, on this corner, there's another room in there, guys. Look at this. 2 single beds. If you have kids, you can even bring your family in there. Yeah. If you have kids, your kids, they can sleep in there. 2 of them. One this side, another on the other side. And also they have a window. They can see the views also. It's at night though, you can't see outside. Maybe I'll show you in the morning the views. Yeah. They can open the windows, right? Yeah, it's a little bit small, but it's okay. You know, they can sleep peacefully in there, without squeezing each other, sharing a bed or something. Yeah. If you have 2 kids, then you're good. And then with a balcony in here, it's dark outside, guys, so you're not gonna be able to see the views like proper. But let me show you. Right, you can just, as I was telling you, and sit in here early in the morning and then enjoy your coffee as you enjoy them views. Right? Okay, there's a door here, so you just open this door and then boom, you have it. It's a balcony. And it's dark though, you can't see, but I'll show you in the morning. Yeah, you have 2 chairs. There's 1, 2. You know, you can even come out here early in the morning, enjoy your coffee. You can sit in here or read a book or something, or just chill and meditate. You know? Right? And then you have the views. You have the views. Oh, right there in front of us. The famous one. Moses Mabhida Stadium. Right in front of you. You can even walk, to it. This 5th floor, by the way, you can even, there's more floors going up. Right? Guys, see, the stadium is right there. And then right here, you have a casino. You have a casino. Suncoast Casino. Yes, if you have ever heard of Suncoast Casino, it's right there. You can just, it's like 5 minutes, not even 5, yeah, 5 minutes away. You can just walk over there. Maybe I'm gonna check it out tonight or tomorrow, I don't know, because I'm tired and I just wanna sleep. Also, you can even catch the taxis if you wanna go to the city. You can catch the taxis from here. Man, everything is in there. There's even people mover, the bus. The bus that goes to the city, goes to the stadium, Moses Mabhida. It will take you to the city, like deep inside the city, to the supermarket. Boy, I'm telling you. Yeah. Welcome to South Africa. Right. It's Durban. It's Durban. My capital city. My hometown. Right. Yeah, guys. So I'm just gonna end the video in here. Don't forget to like the video, guys. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. By doing so, you're motivating me to keep on going, right? Right. And you have people down there, and I'm respecting their privacy though, but they're enjoying down there, you know. These are the taxis I was talking about. You can catch one of these, it will take you straight to the city anyway. It's cheap. It's cheap. Not even more than You know, it's cheap. I think it's $1 or something. Way lesser than that. Not even $1. It's way cheaper than that. See, there's like a promenade right in front of me. Oh my goodness, I forgot to tell you. The beach is right here in front of you. You see the lights in there? The beach is right here. I can see the waves, the sand, and there's people down there jogging by the promenade. The promenade is right here. Goes all the way down south. Right, guys. I'll see you. Stay tuned. Yeah, man. Your boy just woke up right now, you know, and I'm feeling fresh. I'm feeling good, feeling motivated, you know, because the sun is shining outside. So, you know, just woke up right now. I'm by myself in here, and I'm finna eat these real quick and see if I can, you know, right. Just the time of life is so bright outside. People, they are awake. You can tell by the troll parts, you know, they fly. Life is beautiful, I'm telling you. You just need to find a way